Hi guys, it's Louis again. Today we're gonna take a look on these Neverland K1 racer kits available at Neverland eBay and Amazon stores. Neverland Technology have been designing race since 2007 when the company is founded. It keeps providing great range and high value races for motorcyclists. For now, let's dive in here and introduce you to the Suzuki K1 race sets. They were designed, developed, and manufactured by Neverland Technology. Different from the OEM race set kits, it's going to be a nice aesthetic upgrade. The construction that we see with this is going to be T6 6061 aluminum and satisfy you in variety of reasons. 6061 aluminum tends to be bend, no break. So, if you do go down and crash, this race set is not going to just fall apart, it's not going to snap off. Neverland offers you multiple color choices, and even 2 colors in one kit, which makes your bike really unique and outstanding while having fun with your friends. To make them more special, you can also customize your name here, or your group name, or girlfriend name, whatever, on the foot peg as well. You might think, okay, that's great, but what about the adjustability? I want to be able to adjust the race sets where they fit me best. This race set of Neverland has got you covered. And what you can see here is that it gives you multiple mounting points for your foot peg and 2 for your toe peg. So, we'll give you the adjustability to reach your ideal position for you and your bike. It's going to fit perfectly and it's going to give you maximum lean angle exactly where it sits. Well, if you want to give them a try, the purchase link will be on the description box. And if you have any kinds of questions, please leave a message below or on our Facebook page. I'm Louis, enjoy the ride!